One bag of ray, one bag of ram. But I tell you the truth. Me not interested in that. And I don't care who want to believe from who don't want to believe. This is the level where me depend right now. I don't care who want to believe or who want to believe. You know what me know? Me no want back in this. And me no want back in that circle here. I go back over things over again. It's like a circle. You understand? It's like a circle. Same thing happened here, last year, the other year, coming back to this year. And me and you depend the same thing over again. I watch this now. People, what they hear so we are watching for years, me realize them know the story. You understand? People what they saw watch with for years, I realize them know the story because them hear it before. So we all go and repeat ourselves over again. You understand? You know, take nothing for me sit down here and talk. Because you know me when time me talk. You know me when me sit down and talk. So you don't take nothing for me sit down and me go back go talk about Ricky and me go back go talk about this and me go back go talk. But you know what me realize? Me not benefit nothing from it. I'm not benefiting anything from this. Not only that, people don't have me say me wicked, me do this, me do it. Yes, she do it, she are wicked. Yes, and he come to the front, come answer this. You understand me? People are going to say what they want to say. People are going to believe what they have to believe what they want to believe. So you know what? I don't believe what I don't want to believe. I just want to move on. My daughter done their CD already. My daughter done go through it already. You understand me? I just want to move on. It is what it is. And you see, because me know my truth and me know who you is, it is what it is. My name, my baby. Right? So, me go see if you're not going to let go off of my shot and move on. Me go see what next. What next for Anna and Redance. I want to see what next. Look here, I don't have any babies. I don't have no babies around me. You understand me? It's just me now and everybody are big people. Everybody know are big people. Everybody turn big people. Good morning, babe. Alright? So, me now do this, guys. This is just the truth. Me now do this. Yeah. I'm going to let go. Me done. No more cussing with no Dragon, no more cussing with no Chanel, no more cussing with no Anna. And no me you not get it from no more. You hear me? So no want that entertainment, you go and find it. Not from me. You know what I want to tell you now? This Friday coming, I want to keep Topless Friday. This Friday coming, that I want to tell you now. This Friday coming, I want to keep Topless Friday. You understand me? Thank you, my love. Topless Friday, this Friday, right? I'm going to get 2 girls to work at the bar. You understand? And we just come out and have a vibe. We just have a vibe and full joy on yourself. Alright? So this Friday, I'm going to get the flyers out today and I'm going to promote it, right? Topless Friday, right? And jello shots. Okay? So, most me I put my focus. Yeah. Me I think about where will you keep it? Right at the bar. Right at the bar. And I go on a church. After Friday, upon the Sunday, I go to church, my love. On the Sunday, I go to church. Friday, I work in there. We have to make money. Yeah. On the Sunday, I go to the church. On the Friday, I will be at the bar. Okay? I have to make money. Turn bar in a club. Don't. Sometimes you have to watch and see what is going to happen. All right, just watch, relax, watch and see what is going to happen. Don't talk it. Location is St. Toulis when you cross the train line, right as Papa's Bar. When you come over the 17 feet, you come to the river where it's 17 feet deep. Yeah, and them a build up one nice place. They porous. Thank you, my baby. Porous. When you cross the train line, you know it. Okay. So, you know.
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.